Welcome to Switzerland, a picturesque country nestled in the heart of Europe. Known for its stunning landscapes, charming towns, and rich cultural heritage, Switzerland is a dream destination for travelers of all kinds. With its iconic snow-capped Alps, Switzerland offers breathtaking scenery that beckons adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers. From skiing and snowboarding in winter to hiking and paragliding in summer, there's something for everyone. Don't miss the chance to explore the stunning Swiss National Park, the country's only national park, home to diverse wildlife and untouched wilderness. Beyond the mountains, Switzerland boasts vibrant cities that seamlessly blend modernity with history. Zurich, a global financial hub, is a haven for shopping, dining, and cultural experiences. Geneva, known for its international diplomacy, offers captivating museums and the iconic Jet d'eau fountain. Lucerne enchants visitors with its medieval architecture and the picturesque Chapel Bridge. Switzerland is also renowned for its impeccable public transportation system, making it easy to explore its many attractions. The Swiss Travel Pass provides unlimited access to trains, buses, and boats, making it a convenient option for travelers. Food lovers will delight in Swiss cuisine, with fondue and raclette being must-try dishes. Swiss chocolate is a world-famous treat that should not be missed either. Don't forget to visit the local farmers' markets to savor fresh produce and artisanal products. The country's cultural diversity is another highlight. Switzerland has 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Each region showcases its unique traditions, festivals, and customs, making it a captivating tapestry of cultures. In summary, Switzerland offers a breathtaking blend of natural beauty, charming cities, rich heritage, and culinary delights. Whether you seek outdoor adventures or cultural experiences, this enchanting country promises an unforgettable journey. Come and experience the magic of Switzerland for yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tour with Pour.